all here today because of one person only. And he's standing on the stage next to me. This face before. Some of you may not, but I guarantee